Just thought I'd do a little review of this Kidde carbon monoxide detector. It's actually really good. We've had it for about 10 years, but I think you're supposed to replace it every 4 years. It's worked really well. In fact, it was at 16, so it's very sensitive. It just went back to 0. And you can do a test to make sure it's all good.
Oh, it's not working.
So every once in a while, it will beep to let us know we need to change the battery. By the way, we put a battery in it. That's for if the power goes out. So not very often does a battery go dead. It's nice that you can just plug it in.
Here's the one downstairs.
You can test it. Oh my, that's loud. Oh, okay. To make sure it's working properly. Oh, Jesus. Fun testing. Next time I'll wear earplugs.
The one I tested upstairs didn't do anything.
This is the one downstairs in my basement, by the way. I'm just testing them all, making sure they're good. Whew. It's good. Obviously, this needs to be replaced because when I click on test and reset, nothing happens. So I guess that's why it showed 16. That was baloney. All in all, I'm happy with the Kidde carbon monoxide detector, but like the instructions say, you have to replace it every 4 years. But ours downstairs is going strong after 10 years. Just this one isn't. So 50-50. But I mean, I think all of them you're supposed to replace every 4 years. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching.